Hey guys, today I'll be drawing Saint Michael the Archangel. So let's start with the hair. Yes, wavy hair, then draw a box for the eyes. Draw parentheses up and down, then sideways and ovals for the inside of the eyes. Alright, and now let's continue with the hair. But first, let's make the arm raised because he is holding a sword. And just create the and try to recreate the arm. Now the armpit, we're gonna give it a more of a arc, not make it so thin. And then let's make the base of the sword with a bunch of little circles, and then a straight line that will come to the point. Alright, now the clothes. The sleeves, they have little squigglies. Then the skirt, and he's holding a scale. So we draw three lines coming down, and little bows. And then his sandals, bunch of lines. Then continue the hair. And we have to draw the wings because he is an angel. Alright, and then we just draw diagonal lines and U shapes. And then the mouth, we draw it open. And then the nose, a little L. And then let's go over with the marker. Then add little eyebrows. And color the inside of the eye. Let's add a finger and the scale. Now the sword, the little bumps, and then the straight lines, the rest of the wing, and then the body. A little wave for the skirt, a zigzag for the sandals, and then we're gonna point the feathers on each side, and then add lines to give more detail to the feathers. Thanks for watching.